Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Three of Wands, we have the Four of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Fool card, which is lovely, and two other cards that I'll bring in a bit later on. So let's have a look. First of all, the Three of Wands. I love this. This is the beginnings of success. You're right at the beginning of something. You see how that person is standing with those three wands. They're firmly in the ground. I don't know if you can see those little bits on them are meaning that they've sprouted. So they've grown roots and they've taken hold, and now they're starting to really grow properly. And so this will be indicative of something going on in your life and world. Now, the wands, very typically, that can be business and enterprise. It can be anything that you're passionate about, something that's really connected with your heart and soul. I personally find as a reader, it can also connect to your life purpose and your mission, your passions. So it also creativity. So anything that you've been working on, this is saying what you've done is absolutely bang on, is spot on, and it's working. It's absolutely working. So now I get a feeling for many of you, you've been working really hard on this. This hasn't been an easy journey. The reason why I say that, it's next to the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords can talk about someone that is tired. They're exhausted. They've been really going for it and like putting everything into something. Could be a relationship, could be family, it could be work. But yeah, so they are tired. So this week, take care of yourself. You might need to pull back. You might need a bit of a break. You might need to just say, hang on just a moment, just step back, look after yourself. This is really important with the Four of Swords. Now, the other thing we can get from this is that it might be something subconscious that you need to listen to, or that is blocking you or is getting in your way, because this can talk about below the surface. So the things that the places we connect to during dream time. So we go, well, whether you want to say we go below the surface, the subconscious, the supraconscious, or up, wherever, we go somewhere else. So yeah, there could be something, so some sort of insight or information coming through in your dreams, in dream time, in meditation. So listen out. I just get a sense for some of you, you're going to get some answers, you're going to get some downloads, you're going to get some information coming through. Might relate to something that you need to do, or how you need to move forward, but it could be something that is maybe hindering you, blocking you, getting in the way. This is lovely, the rekindling card. People from the past, maybe friends, family, you're getting together, old work colleagues, old loves, you bump into them unexpectedly, or it could be some sort of event that's been arranged, but it will be happy, it will be joyful. It could be people coming back from past lives as well, so soul connections. But it is very, very wonderful energy where you're just so happy and so joyful and like, oh yes, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And then we've got the Fool energy, which I love. This signifies new starts, new beginnings, new adventures for you. I get the sense for some of you, it's tied to this, so you know what this is about, but maybe something comes through for you, some inspiration, some insight, a message in a dream or a message in a meditation comes through, and you go, yes, this is it. I'm really going to be able to take this leap now. This is a leap of faith. So yes, it represents new adventures and paths unfolding and doors before you, But you do have to make the leap. You have to make the jump. You have to go for it. Sometimes we're a little bit like, oh gosh, is it going to be all right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is with the fall. Make no mistake, this journey is going to lead you to a place where you feel freer and liberated from something or someone. It could be a place, or it could be a work situation. You're going to liberate yourself from something with this new, do you know what? Yes, some of you might be exhausted and tired, but I do get download. I get that really, really big. As I'm talking, they're just building up the energy for that for many of you. So look out. Now, 2 other cards that I picked. I've got a yes, and then I said to them, okay, well, what's this talking about? And this is the clarifier, success. So I feel that for many of you, you're going to get maybe some information, some insight, all linked to this, this journey that you're on, the dream or the goal that you're working towards. And you're going to get this information, and you're going to wonder about it, and you're going to think, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit different than I anticipated, a little bit scary. And they're saying, go for it, and you'll be wondering, can I do this? Will it be all right? Have I got what it takes? All of those things. They're saying to you, yes, 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 you will be successful. So that feels like a very strong affirmation from, the universe this week about this stuff coming in and this new path. Well, it's not new, but you've got to jump. You've got a leap to do that's going to come out of this week. But yes, you can do it, and yes, you're going to be successful. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.